Hello everyone, my name is GEETHIKA. I'm from CSC. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in BBIT. Today in this session I'm going to explain about Spearman's rank correlation. Let us see. What is rank correlation? A group of n individuals may be arranged in order to merit with respect to some characteristic, and this characteristic is considered as rank correlation. For this, to find this rank correlation, Spearman once find out a method. Consider the orders corresponding to characteristics of two groups, then the correlation between there are n pair of rank is called rank correlation. Formula for Spearman's correlation coefficient in case of non-repeated ranks. Here, for Spearman's ranks correlation coefficient, we use the symbol rho. Rho means rho equal to 1 minus 6 sigma di square by n into n square minus 1. Here, di means difference between two ranks of each observation and n means n number of observations. Let us see some remarks on this correlation coefficient. Here, the rho is always lies between -1 and 1. If rho equal to 1, then complete agreement in the order of ranks and direction of ranks is same. Always it will be same if rho equal to 1. If rho equal to -1, then complete agreements in the order of ranks is opposite. In case of repeated ranks or equal ranks, then add correction factor to each of the correlation factor. For example, if you have two ranks repeated, then the rank given to the two numbers is average between them. And this so that if you add two ranks average, then you have to add one correlation factor corresponding to that. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 into sum of d square plus CF1. If you have more than one correction factors, then use CF2 and so on CFn, and divided by n into n square minus 1. Here, CF is calculated as 1 by 12 m into m square minus 1. M is number of averages taken with ranks. Let us see an example. Here, the following ranks obtained by 10 students in two subjects are given. To what extent the knowledge of 10 students in two subjects is related? Let us find the correlation coefficient for this. If you see here, the given data is in x and y values, right? So to find d, we have to do x minus y. So see this distribution. For all the given values, we have done x minus y and we consider it as d. We find the d values for each and every row. So like this, find d square. At last, finally, we have to calculate the sum of all the rows in d square. For this, if you see here, in this formula, we have written rho equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di square. Means we have to add all the rows in the di. So I have added all these rows and the summation is I got 40. If I consider 6 into 40 by 10 into 10 square minus 1. Here 10 is nothing but n value, number of individuals or number of information data given. So if I calculated this, I'll get the row value 0.7575. As I said earlier before, the row value is always lies between -1 and 1. So here this is how we find Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Thank you.